reserved seats in colleges, government jobs under reserved quotas, scholarships, fee waivers, welfare schemes. One document opens the door to all of them. Here is the complete process for getting a caste certificate in India, whether you belong to the SC, ST, or OBC category. Any Indian citizen belonging to a community listed under the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, or other backward classes can apply. These lists are maintained under the Constitution Scheduled Castes Order, 1950, the Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order, 1950, and the framework of the National Commission for Backward Classes under the 102nd Constitutional Amendment. Here is a detail that trips people up. The SC and ST lists are state-specific. A community listed as SC in one state may not be listed in another. So if your family has migrated from one state to another, you may need to obtain the caste certificate from your state of origin, along with a migration certificate. Gather these before applying. A parent's caste certificate. In most states, the father certificate is the primary proof of caste lineage. Identity proof, such as Aadhaar, voter ID, or ration card. Address proof, such as Aadhaar, an electricity bill, or a property tax receipt. A birth certificate. A self-declaration affidavit on stamp paper, typically 10 rupees, declaring your caste and lineage and attested by a notary public. 2 passport-sized photographs, and as supplementary proof, your school transfer certificate and Class 10 mark sheet mentioning caste. Offline, visit the office of the Tehsildar or subdivisional magistrate in your district with the completed form and documents. A revenue officer typically conducts a local inquiry to verify your caste. Online, use your state's portal, e-District in Uttar Pradesh, Me Seva in Andhra Pradesh, e-Sevana in Tamil Nadu, Aple Sarkar in Maharashtra, the Oscar portal in West Bengal, and Karnataka's portal to submit the application, upload documents, pay fees, and track your status digitally. The certificate is typically issued within 15 to 30 days after the inquiry is completed. SC and ST certificates are valid for a lifetime and never need renewal. OBC certificates are different. They carry a limited validity, typically 1 to 3 years, depending on the state. Why do OBC certificates expire? Because OBC reservation benefits depend on the creamy layer income test. If your family's income crosses the threshold, currently 8 lakh rupees per annum for central government purposes, you are excluded from OBC reservation benefits. So OBC certificates must be renewed periodically with an updated income declaration, and the threshold itself is revised by the central government from time to time. The certificate is typically free or involves a nominal fee of 10 to 50 rupees. One serious caution: false claims of caste status carry penalties under the Indian Penal Code and specific state legislations. Apply honestly, keep your documents in order, and use the online portals to track progress. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.